I was talking to a friend the other day, and next thing he said was, Layo, I love your voice so much. You sound so amazing. Your voice makes my entire day. That was like his exact statement. That just got me smiling for the rest of the day. I'm Salty Liar, and things just got saltier. This is not some validation stuff, but compliments really does it for everybody, and I know you're not an exception. Another scenario was um, I remember this day I was fully dressed and going out for a function, and this lady just saw me and she was like, "You look so pretty, you look so amazing." I wasn't seeking validation, yeah, but it was